In a world where for women, long locks can represent beauty, desirability, you can be the subject of so much adoration from men and women, and in some spaces, having long hair, thick hair, healthy hair is a status symbol. It's no wonder that so many of us have this goal of length, including myself. Now, in this quest for long, healthy hair, we come across a ton of products that are marketed to us that promise that. Even here on this channel, I have recommended products that have helped with my hair care routine, whether that is softening the hair, giving it shine, giving it luster, all the things, but I have always said, and I continue to say, that what we eat, what we put in our bodies, is the real key to true hair growth. So I'm gonna do something a little unconventional, and I'm gonna share foods that actually help with hair growth, and then put together a little meal that you can eat that will aid in that. I mean, we're all about making things simple and easy over here, so keep watching for more. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is LaToya Ebony. Now, if you like hair care, hair topics, tutorials, wash routines, discussion, sharing all the tea, this is the place to be. Take a look around, subscribe. I post videos on Mondays, and let's get into this, okay? So food. There are a million products out in the world, but I do not think that anything ever compares to food and the benefits that it can have to our bodies. Now, I know we normally talk about hair care and hair growth, and that is exactly what this video is about, but just keep in mind that these foods are also really great for your body. And when we are feeding our body with healthy, nutritious foods, it has no choice but to show in our hair, our skin, our nails. It is the #1 thing that I can recommend for healthy hair growth. Here are 9 simple, easy things that you can find in your grocery store right now that can help with hair growth. Number 9, eggs. Eggs provide you with protein, biotin, and vitamin D. Now, biotin is the product that all of the companies are constantly pushing in their marketing. They're in serums, they're in oils, they're in creams. I have even seen the effects of using a serum that had biotin infused in it. It works really well, but guess what? We can get it straight from eggs. Now, if you are vegan or vegetarian, don't you worry. There will be more food items in here that you can enjoy as well. Number 8, almonds, another great source of biotin. So there you go. If you don't eat eggs, you can always do almonds. And if you like both, like me, we're just in good company. Almonds, of course, you want to go for the kind that are raw, that aren't bleached, and all of the things. But here's the thing. This is my school of thought, okay? Now, when it comes to getting the healthiest of healthiest organic food, we know we're probably gonna get it from the farmers, okay? Not everyone has access to the farmer's market, to farmers, to the freshest of the fresh. Even with the organic section in the grocery store, you may have access to all of this food, but that doesn't mean that you have the resources to pay for them. So I just wanna add this in here. Do the best that you can. Do the best that you can. But of course, the more organic, the better. Number 7, avocados. Avocados are so tasty to me. I know it's not everybody's jam, but I love me an avocado. I love the avocado whole. I love it like in a nice little guacamole. Oh my God, avocado is so good to me. It has a ton of fatty acids. It has vitamin B6, vitamin E, vitamin A, vitamin D. So many good ingredients. Avocados are so good. If you've never tried one, you've been missing out. Now, before I say number 6, I do need to give a shout out to this video sponsor, Zeagoo. They sell women's clothing that you can find right on Amazon, y'all. So if you're an Amazon Prime member, this is gonna be great for you. Now, I've got 3 items of clothing First one, starting with this button down that I am wearing. It is actually really beautiful. The color is lilac. I wear a size large, and it is a long sleeve button down satin top that I'm really excited about because I really don't have very many pastels in my closet at all. Y'all know your girl loves fashion, okay? If you follow me on social media, you'll see that's all I talk about. So this button down is really cool. It's really versatile. I put it with a pair of purple cargo jeans, and I was like, ooh, this is cute, because normally I would only pair this with like skirts, dresses, dress pants, but this can be dressed up, it can be dressed down. It is a really beautiful piece, and I have something coming in the mail that I'm really excited to pair this with. Next is this cropped jacket. Now, I haven't had corduroy in many years, but I chose this because it's just a really good transitional piece into the warmer weather that we are experiencing soon, I hope. So it's a crop jacket, corduroy, it's buttoned down, you can wear it open, you can wear it closed, it's very lightweight. So of course, a really nice transitional piece that has some texture to it. I really enjoy the drop shoulders and the puffy sleeves. It's very feminine and just slightly different enough to match my style. So I really love this. And this comes in multiple colors as well. And so does this. You can basically find this in any color. It's really cool. Next is this sleepwear set. Now, I am a sucker for some good loungewear, some sleepwear, okay? I got this in a size large. It's in a beautiful champagne color. It has black piping as a detail, black buttons, and it's shorts, y'all. It's just short. This is just like so perfect for the spring summer season. It's very lightweight, very breathable. It feels very luxurious. I think this is my favorite piece of everything that I got. This set right here, it's just really pretty. It looks really good against my skin. I think that you would absolutely love this. And so I highly recommend. If you're interested in purchasing any of those pieces, I am going to put the link down below, as well as display a discount code across the screen or in the description box so that you can get a discount. They've got a little promotion going on, and I want to make sure you guys can save some coins, okay? I am a huge Amazon shopper. I buy too much from Amazon, so you know, if you're like me, you're gonna enjoy this a lot. So special thanks to Zeagoo for sponsoring this section of the video. Let's move on to number 6, strawberries. Now, I don't know anybody who doesn't love a good strawberry, okay? My son is obsessed with them. They actually have antioxidants that help protect the hair and vitamin C. Vitamin C promotes collagen production, which is going to lead to stronger, healthier strands. So, I mean, a good strawberry, we love it. Number 5, mangoes. Mangoes. I love mangoes, whether they're whole, cut up, in a package. I love them, and they do something kind of cool. Mangoes have nutrients that can help speed the growth of stem cells in the body. What? That's insane. And with this increase in stem cells, that can speed up hair growth. Mangoes are just over here saving lives, saving hair strands, saving the body. I mean, that is really cool. Number 4, salmon. Now, I'm a salmon girl. I really love salmon. We're gonna be working with salmon today, so stay tuned for this recipe. Now, salmon is bae. And of course, it has all of those delicious fatty acids, those omega-3s that we love, and our body can't produce naturally. So ingesting them is definitely the way to go. Number 3, spinach for folate, vitamin C, and iron. This is going to promote healthy blood flow throughout the body. It's basically helping getting like all of the nutrients that we're putting in it to the places that matter, like our hair follicles, our skin, the rest of our body, you guys. And let me just tell you, I like spinach in lots of different ways, whether it's raw, whether it's cooked. spinach is delicious to me. I don't like the canned stuff though, because I used to have that as a kid and I thought that that was what spinach was, and it's not. It's not. It's not. But lately, iron has been my jam. I love iron. It helps me feel a lot less tired and groggy. So spinach is definitely the way to go all around. Olive oil. We love olive oil, right? We have put it on our body. We put it on our hair strands. But let me tell you, ingesting it does a lot of good. There's vitamin K, A, D, E. And of course, you're getting those fatty acids. So, you're putting it on your hair, but please put it in your body. I'm gonna show you what I do. And number 1, lemon. Now, this did not go in any particular order. I just wanted to share 9 things, but lemon, I really like. Lemon just has this this tartness to it. And of course, it's a great source of vitamin C, which helps with collagen production. And we know collagen is great for the elasticity of the skin as well. There's just a lot of things. So this is just the basis for you to start doing your own research. I want to build a salad with you. These are the ingredients from this list I'm going to use.
What you'll need: salmon, cucumber, avocado, tomatoes, spinach blend, some sliced almonds. I like this one with honey. Feta cheese, optional. Olive oil, lemon. Go ahead and put the base of that salad in the bowl and chop your cucumbers. I like using half. Then you're going to take those chopped cucumbers and put them aside. Now, I like cherry or grape tomatoes. I cut them in half just so that they're prepared for me. It's just the way I like it. You can use regular tomatoes if you'd like. Take a avocado and you'll use half. This one isn't 100% ripe, but I'd rather that than, stale. Then I'm going to make the dressing. This is olive oil. I'm going to squeeze some fresh lemon. You can do whatever you like with the proportions. And then I'm going to add a little or a lot of pepper. Some people also like to add a dash of salt. I'm avoiding salt in this. Lemon sort of is a nice substitute for that salty taste. I like to put the dressing on top of my vegetables and mix that up just so that they are fully covered. Again, you can add Italian seasoning. You can add other kinds of herb-like seasonings to this. I'm just kind of giving you a little bit of a basis. Then we're going to put a little sprinkle of feta cheese, optional, of course. And then these sliced almonds. I love these. These are covered in honey, and you don't have to use this blend, but it has cranberries and the honey with the almonds. And of course, you're going to top everything with that lovely salmon. Season to taste, but this is the salad. I eat this all the time, and I highly recommend you give it a try. See you next time. Mwah.